Hi everybody, this is Wendy from Wendelonia, and today I've got a quick video to show you how to make spooky cucumber fingers for your bento box lunches, or for regular lunches, or for dinner, or for your Halloween platter, or what have you. So to start, you just cut a chunk of cucumber and then you kind of round off the ends of it, which you can see me doing here. Then I used a little cookie cutter that I had in my stash as a guide for sort of a semicircle at the bottom. You don't have to do that. You can just freehand cut it. And I insert the tip of a paring knife along that line and I score it. So I think you can kind of see that there in the image. Then I take the knife and I very carefully cut below that cucumber skin and pull that fake fingernail off so it looks like a fingernail. Now I'm scoring the skin of the cucumber so that I have some lines on there for the knuckle lines. Otherwise your finger won't look really very fingery. So I'm using a tool there that is it's like kind of a U-shaped knife, and so it just gently, I go on the cucumber skin and I cut the little bit of skin off so you can see that sort of lighter line on the cucumber. And really those lines along with the fingernail are what make this look like a finger. If you don't have those knuckle lines, it's just gonna look, you're gonna be like, what the heck is that? So here I'm just rounding off the ends, and then I'm roughing up the edges so it's not a perfectly straight line. And that's all there is to it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks a lot. See you next time.